my wasabis, this is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. So for today's video, I'm so excited to share this with you. Finally, my maiden set of essential oil blends collection is already out. So if you want to know all the things about my blends, then please keep on watching. Alright, so here's how it looks like. And I'm really very proud of this because look at that cute gold foiling. I actually made that by myself. Most of the things here are handcrafted by me, so I'm really very proud of this. In fact, I feel like an overwhelming sense of emotions right now because I honestly didn't expect to be able to release this year. I sort of accepted that I won't be able to have my set of blends this year. This is something that's 6 months in the making. I was supposed to release this on my birthday last August, but things happened, shit happened, and everything just got out of schedule. But I'm very, very proud that it's already here and it's really like tangible right now. It's not just an idea, so I'm very happy that it's here. And I really, really am proud that I'm finally able to share this with you and finally show you something that I'm really very proud of. If you may not know, about a year and a half ago, I was offered by three to four companies to have my own line of oils, to have my own line of stuff that I all turned down because I felt that it wasn't the right time. I was just freshly into my certified aromatherapist course and I felt that I needed to build my credibility first before I come out with anything about essential oils under my name or with my name. So I think now's the right time. I was really pushing to have this last August for my birthday. I think it's a good symbolism to mark my birthday for working so hard for the previous year, but it didn't happen. So I sort of accepted to have this next year instead. But I guess life has its surprises and this is a good one. This is one of those good surprises that I've had, to be able to release this right in time for Christmas, to share it with you. And I hope you guys give the time to check it out and maybe, grab a stick or two, a blend or two, and let me know your feedback on it because I really, really value your feedback. Now going back to this set is basically a representation of a woman. And when I made these blends, I had our needs in mind. As a woman, our needs, that's my focus. Each roller blend is actually a representation of the facets of a woman. Each blend represents a woman's different needs. So I'm sure you'll find something in here in this 5 sets. And I made sure to carefully pick each roller that they won't smell the same. They won't, it's a very multi-dimensional set. You won't feel that you just bought everything that's minty. You know what I mean? So when you try to compare each set, you will really find that each is very distinct and each is a representation of a point in your life that you would really want to reach out one of these specifically. So I'm really very proud of this. It's a very carefully thought of set. It's not something that I just want to come out with on a whim. We took time to really think of all the 5 blends that would end up in my maiden set. And now here it is, finally. And I'm very, very excited to share with you the rollers that I have. So one of the things that I was very particular about when I was conceiving this set is that I was very particular of this bottle. So it is a double-ended bottle wherein you have your regular roller on the other end and wait, let me just show you. Okay, so you have the regular roller on the other end. It looks like this. Again, this is a special set because this is for me. It's an upgraded gemstone roller set, but the regular would have the regular roller bottle, and on the other end you have this. Okay, let me just put the cap back on so it's not messy. So at the other end you have this pinhole dispenser wherein you can just hygienically share the oils with your friends. So instead of rolling it to another person, which can pose hygienic issues, you can just use this pinhole dispenser and just dab it on someone else. Or if you really love this scent, for example, you'd love Sun Goddess, because I do this quite a lot. I just get a bowl of Himalayan salt or a bowl of Epsom salt or Dead Sea salt and just put some drops in it, maybe 20 drops in it, and then use it as my soak. Works well. This is already pre-diluted, so you won't have to worry about essential oil injuries. These are diluted safely for your occasional use. And yeah, that's why I'm very proud of this. Even if this bottle is twice or thrice more expensive than your regular bottle, I really wanted to have this bottle to share this experience with you, that you know, instead of just rolling it, you can use it for another purpose. So let's talk about each blend. First is Sun Goddess. I really love this. It's one of the first oils that I thought of wanting to be part of the collection, because this is something that would readily and easily uplift you. If you've had a long day, or for example, you woke up and you want to prepare yourself for something tedious for the week, for example, then just take a whiff of this or put it on behind your ear or on your pulse points, and you'll instantly feel so revived and uplifted. And it has a dash of black pepper, so it helps with anxiety. Since it's a burst of citrus oils, remember, do not expose yourself under the sun when you are wearing this topically. Although it's diluted safely, let's just be very careful with that. You know, each and every person's sensitivity is very, very different. So just a warning. Alright, next on our list is Dream Lover. So it's labeled in blue because the skies and you're dreaming up there, something like that. Blue is for calming. And this is actually a double function roller, because aside from being a calming blend, this is also a good blend for sleeping or to induce sleep. That's why it's called Dream Lover. It has sedative oils in it like lavender, chamomile, cedarwood, and vetiver. And this oil is really good for relaxing. It promotes a sense of relaxation, calmness, I guess, you know, just to unwind you. And let me just take a whiff. Oh, it's so soothing. I made sure that each and every blend smells differently. Okay, and then let's go to the third oil, which is Golden Girl. I also really love this. This is for presence, meaning it gives you presence of mind. You will be in the moment. This functions as a roller to promote mental clarity and focus, and it has an invigorating mix of basil and peppermint, which is really, really good for your brain's cognitive function. So you just apply it on your temples or behind your ear, down your neck, and it's a really good blend if you want to stay alert and focused. For example, you needed to finish something and you don't want to be distracted. You just want to finish it. If you are studying for example, your licensure exams or bar exams or whatever, this blend would help you. Oh, so good. This is one of my favorites. This blend would help you so much. I swear by it. My sister has used this when she was studying in college. She took up legal management and she graduated with cum laude. So, you know, I guess it really helps her, right? Next is Amazonian Queen. Now, among all my blends, this is the only blend that's kid-friendly. It's 100% kid-friendly. It's basically my blend for your respiratory support function. So it has spruce, it has frankincense and cedarwood, all kid-friendly oils to support your proper respiratory function, to decongest you. And it's a nice like bunch of evergreens and so relieving. It's like you're in a farm of, it's like you're in a Christmas tree farm. Oh, it smells so good. So it smells a bunch of forest evergreens, and it represents the various nuances of the crisp green notes of pine plus woody notes of spruce and cedarwood. So it's really, really nice. I hope you guys get to try this. It's one of the best-selling oils, best-selling blends. And finally, I'm very, very proud, and I guess this is the most important blend that I really wanted to put in my maiden set. Each blend represents a different facet of a woman, or your different, like the different things that, like the different angles that women go through on a day-to-day basis or a monthly basis. So this one is Moonchild. And Moonchild is basically my blend to aid you when you're having your PMS, when you're having your reproductive issues, for girls with PCOS. That's why it's very important for me to have this around. I really made this for all you girls who has PCOS. This is a beautiful and I guess a meticulous blend of oils that support a woman's reproductive function. It's for your ovaries, ladies. So, it has a lot of oils in it, which includes ilang-ilang, geranium, and a whole lot other oils, especially clary sage, to help you whenever you are PMSing, whenever you are out of balance. That's why it says here balance, because you know, when we are having our time of the month, everything is just off key. This will help bring you back to your balance. And it's a good, like, beautiful blend of aroma. It's very complex, yet it's very, very relaxing. Again, if you're PMSing and you know that you're someone who PMS is so bad, you better get this and then try it, and please let me know how it has helped you. I really love this as someone who has PCOS. This is the one that I'm using now for my monthly support, and it has really helped me, and that's why I really wanted to share this. This is the most expensive among all the three because it has more oils and more complexities in it, but I'm really very proud of this blend. And I honestly don't think that you can find this with other collections or with other brands. So I'm really, really very excited for you to try Moonchild. In fact, I'm really, really excited for you to try everything that's in here, especially this one, Amazonian Queen. It's the only kid-safe blend that you can find that came in the set. All the other commercially available like blend set don't really have that kid-safe function, right? So I'm very excited for you guys to try this. So here's how it looks like. It's pretty and shiny, perfect for Christmas. I hope that you take time to try it. These are currently available online exclusively on Shopee. I really love this thing. To note, I'm the one who made the gold foiling. I'm very, very proud of this. So I hope you guys appreciate it. And I hope you guys check it out on Shopee. Just search for Gilded Treasures, and then I'm sure it will pop up there. The set is posted on a different post, and then the rollers are posted individually. Each roller would be about less than 400 pesos. So it's very affordable for its class, and it lasts a long, long time. I swear, I just need a little, and then you will feel the scent the whole day for a long time. I am giving away sets of 3 of these oils here on my channel. So the giveaway is very, very simple. You just have to like this YouTube video, share this YouTube video on your Facebook wall, and use the hashtag that I will be putting down here. And I will draw the winners after 5 days. Okay, so I'll put the mechanics maybe down below on the description box. I haven't really thought about it quite well, so let me just firm it up and write it down. But it's very simple. You just have to like this video, comment down below also your Facebook username just so I can cross-check, and then post this video on your Facebook wall with the hashtag so I can check it on Facebook. So this is a Facebook giveaway. I'm tired of Instagram giveaways. So it's time for my Facebook giveaway. Or I plan to hold a separate Instagram giveaway, so watch out for that. So I hope you guys enjoy this blend, and if you do, please tag me on your posts. Please let me know how much you enjoy it or how I can improve on it. What else? Please let me know. I love to hear your feedback. And don't forget to use the hashtag on your Instagram post. So Happy Oiler Blend is the official hashtag for this set, or you can use Gilded Treasures. That could work too. And yeah, I hope to see your feedback very, very soon. I hope you guys take time to try some of these as soon as they're out.